Winter has arrived here at my off-grid cabin. I got a fun video planned today. Recently, a company sent me a drone to test out, and I was excited for the opportunity that it gives me to make better videos for you guys, to get different footage of the do-it-yourself and off-grid projects that I do and the adventures that I go on. So today we're going to be testing it out in this cold snow and rugged terrain out here at my off-grid property.
This is the V11 Pro made by Veeniix. We'll look at his camera quality, battery life, and his overall performance in these tough winter conditions out here. And along the way, I hope to get some great aerial footage of the cabin and the forest around me. I'm a beginner with drones, so we'll see how easy it is for a novice to operate. The V11 Pro has a nice foldable design. It folds up into this carry case that it comes with. Really nice padded case. The only other drone I've ever owned did not come with a case, so it's nice to have a fitted case that keeps everything safe and protected. It comes with 2 batteries, and these batteries are rated at 40 minutes each, so we'll see how these perform out in the cold. Cold can really do a number on lithium batteries, so I don't expect to get the full flight time out of it, but we'll see how long we get them. But either way, having 2 batteries is really great when you're out on adventures, to be able to swap batteries instead of having to stop and recharge. So that's really nice. The remote accepts your phone, and the antenna is here built on top, and it has a wire connection that plugs into the bottom of your phone, so you don't have to worry about the Wi-Fi connection that you have to do on a lot of drones. It's a direct hardwire connection to your phone. So that'll be nice. Let's get this thing in the air. Let's start by seeing if we can get some good shots of the cabin and the forest around it. Look at that detail of the trees and the contrast of the snow against the cabin roof. I like how you can easily adjust the camera up and down with just the move of your finger. Look at those beautiful snowy mountains in the distance. I like that it has the point of interest feature. It does a circle around the point of interest and can be set from 5 to 30 meters. This was set at the 5 meters so I could stay below the tree line and stay out of the wind. So let's hop in the side-by-side and test out the GPS Follow Me feature. This feature works great if you're out solo like I am most of the time. Whether you're on the trail or just exploring, it tracks well while keeping me centered in the shot. You do have to be careful when flying low through the trees, because this drone does not have obstacle avoidance. The 3-axis gimbal keeps everything nice and smooth, even in the windy conditions above the treetops. The one-touch return home feature is great for beginners like me to be able to land the drone safely. It also kicks in if the drone loses signal or if the battery runs low. So what makes the V11 Pro great for outdoor adventures? A few things that I'd like to point out. One of them is the double batteries. I love having 2 batteries so I don't have to stop and recharge. The Sony 4K camera on the front really does a nice job. It really takes some beautiful shots. It's compact, it folds up and goes into its nice carry case. And then the thing I probably love the most about it is that it's beginner friendly. It has automatic return home, automatic takeoff and landing. So it was fairly easy for me to learn how to use, and that was a big deal for me. I don't have a lot of experience with drones. A couple things that you'll want to keep in mind if you're going to be doing some winter flying: pick up a landing pad, and I'll leave a link down in the description below to this one. And a couple things that I wish it had that it doesn't is obstacle avoidance. I came pretty close to the tops of some of the trees, but other than that, it's been a great drone. I think it's going to be awesome to have, and it's going to take some beautiful shots of the projects that I got going out here and the adventures that I go on. So is the V11 Pro a good choice for filming your outdoor adventures? I would say absolutely. It's a durable little drone. It's really held up well in the cold. I got longer flight time out of the batteries than I expected. I got about a half hour each out of the batteries, so it really did well in the cold and the snow. It's a budget-friendly model, so if you're just getting into drones, this is a great place to start. I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and for future projects and adventures, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.